subscribers and loved ones. Hope you all are well and doing fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's new episode, which is from the house of German automobile and motorcycle manufacturer BMW Motorrad. With official tagline of "Let's set the pace together," BMW Motorrad had already unveiled the upcoming 2024 BMW 1300 GS model, consist of new design angle, aesthetics and approach. May be available in 3 different variants according to United States specs sheet. No compromises, everything is tailored to your needs. Do you prefer to ride with just the essentials or with a lot of luggage? Would you rather go on comfortable long-distance journeys or sporty off-road runs? The innovative modular frame concept can fulfill all of your desires. Tell me what the perfect touring enduro would be. R1300 GS Trophy is base version optimized for sporty riding on off-road terrains, and R1300 GS Triple Black is mid-variant. Our perfect all-rounder offers unbeatable comfort, whereas the R1300 GS Option 719 Tramontana is top variant and mistakenly exclusive and available with premium equipment for individualists. On the road with stability and precision, lean angle, braking, accelerating, you stay in full control. Discover the newfound levity of riding with the newly developed chassis, the new monocoque rear frame, the new Evo Telelever and Evo Paralever, as well as the new, available DSA, dynamic suspension adjustment, and optional innovative adaptive vehicle height control. Ahead of your next destination, well illuminated with the iconic LED matrix headlight. Behind you, milestones. And the short monocoque rear with excellent individualization potential. Exploring the top model of the range of great BMW adventure motorcycles with comprehensive standard equipment such as guiding light, LED matrix headlight. A clear break from tradition in the design, the new symmetrical light icon. The high beam and low beam headlights are integrated in a single projector unit. The turn indicator is integrated into the hand protector. Everything is designed with your needs in mind, next level driving comfort. The innovative Telelever bearing offers excellent handling. The GS Flyline with an extra flat tank seat line provides a new kind of freedom of movement, easy maneuvering, and a relaxed posture. The broad range of ergonomic options helps riders with varying needs to conquer any terrain. Thanks to the environmental sensor system of the optional riding assistant, you can see everything at a glance. Thanks to keyless ride, you can simply climb on and start riding. You get comfortable on the standard rider's seat with a variable seat height of 800 to 890 mm. There are no superfluous parts, everything is condensed to encapsulate the essence of GS, the pure joy of riding. The technical drawing of the engine of the R1300 GS from BMW Motorrad. Displacing a huge 1300cc air with liquid-cooled twin-cylinder 4-stroke boxer engine claiming 145 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute and 110 lb-ft of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute, mated to 6-speed gearbox nestled inside steel Type 2 sections with bolt-on rail subframe. 523 pounds curb weight, which is close to 237 kilos wet, and with accessories and luggage it will be close to 250 kilos, definitely heavy. The powerful 145 horsepower engine and the low vehicle weight give you the power you need. You can feel the impressive character of the latest generation of Boxer in every speed range. Experience outstanding performance and impressive control while running even more smoothly at lower speeds. The scaled-back design, the unique body, the light aluminum tank, everything works together in an efficient and well-integrated manner. The subframe made from cast aluminum serves as the basis for endless possibilities. Together with the main frame, the standard cast wheels and the powertrain in ours black provide a darker border to the lower section, contrasted against the lighter front section of the body. The small, compact front offers an excellent view of the road. There is a clear break from tradition in the design with the new symmetrical light icon, a distinctive face. Do you expect more as a matter of principle? That's a good way to be. Explore the options for individualization. Alternatively, you can create a motorcycle with its own unique character from the outset. The GS Trophy for off-road terrain, the Triple Black offering a highest level of comfort and all-rounder qualities, or the Tramontana for unadulterated exclusivity. Hope you all enjoyed such content. If it delivers or if you found it useful or informative, then please do give us a like, share and do subscribe so you would be notified for the future contents. Thank you.